What is it?
I didn't go. I need a pack. I need an extra pack.
Hey,
That's where I receive it.
And look behind you.
What? Socks?
You got pants and shirts.
How did that happen?
Grandma Didi hooked you up. Let's see what they are. Look at those. Let's open up the shirts and see what's on them, Jay. Ooh, a red Hurley shirt. Cool. What's the other ones?
This
Ooh, and black Quicksilver pants. Wait.
is
JJ, let's look at this other stuff. It looks like...
oh, gooey stuff.
Take a look.